For the past years, we saw you as a director. How was it for you removing the hat of a director and now wearing the hat of an actor?
It's fun. It's like coming home because I am a theater actor. Hindi nyo rin na itatanong, nagsimula ako bilang talent dati noong 1990, sa 90s. Nagta-talent ako noon, no? Sumasali ako basta yung all lakad ka dyan, ganyan. Doon ako nagsimula, gusto kong maging director balang araw kasi ayaw nila akong kunan kaagad, tinatanong ko yun. Isang producer. So anyway, ayaw nila akong kunan kaagad. Kasi yung talent lang naman ako, di ba? So doon ako nagkaroon ng idea, and then doon ako nagkaroon ng batas ng Abby moment, na parang balang araw, magiging director ako. Parang gano'n. So anyway, yeah, it's like coming home. Good thing because this year, I went back to theater, acting for theater dun sa BLF. Napanood din ni Christian. And then, blessing na rin dahil tuloy-tuloy naman din ang projects ko sa TV. At maraming salamat sa suporta from Broken Marriage Vow to Dirty Linen to ngayon,
Senior
High. Maraming salamat. And I hope ito naman Broken Hearts with sa December, supportahan nyo. Masarap na experience kasi nandun naman ako sa harap ng camera. Meron naman akong director na magsasabi sa akin at mag-uutos sa akin kung anong order niya. Na I hope hindi kita na-disappoint. So, yun. Kinabahan lang ako nung first dahil parang, gagawin na lahat ng eksena. The whole day, it's just me and Jay Gonzaga who played my boyfriend here. So parang, the whole day, ako lang. Sige, okay. Kumpleto. Merong patawa, merong song number, may dance number, may suntukan, may iyakan. Parang nakakapagod para sa experience, yung ganun. Pero masarap kasi gustong-gusto ko to eh. Natuto rin ako ulit being in front of the camera.
Was there a point, Direk, na you have to choose between acting and directing?
Wala po. Well, directing pays my bills. Acting feeds my soul. Okay na ba yun?
Yes. Thank you, Direk.